Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here for an unboxing. I have finally got my Macy's. I got it, it's today? The 26th, 27th? I got it yesterday. Anyway, I have no idea what was going on with Macy's, why they were so terribly slow in getting their boxes out. But I also have Ipsy, which has been waiting for this, and then I did get my summer Walmart box as well. I did take the shrink wrap off of it with my address and everything. I don't know if you can hear like some droning sound. I don't know what that is. It's some neighbor. There seems to be neighbors doing yard work like absolutely constantly. No matter the time of day, no matter how hot it is, no matter the humidity. So I'm going to try to ignore it. It's driving me nuts, but hopefully it's not too bad for you. Before I get started, if you have not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you get any of these boxes and what you got in your boxes and what you think of mine. So we're going to start with Macy's. I grabbed it out of the box last night when it got here, and we'll just stick that tissue paper over there. So everything is just kind of in a pile next to me. Let's grab the card. So Macy's, you do always get a coupon. This time it is 10 off of 40, which is pretty good. I've been having issues with the online codes though, so let me know if you've been having issues with those or not. They usually, like, if you contact them through Facebook, I find that that's the best way to contact Macy's customer service. That's the only way that I've gotten things like resolved, which is kind of ridiculous. So the first thing, oh, and one more thing. Yes, I did my nails, and then I somehow smudged them when I put my top coat on later on. So I'm just living with them because, anyway, nail polish. First thing is that I pull out. So this is from Mineral Fusion. This is the Fast and Fabulous. See, it retails for $8.99. This is, Fast and Fabulous is the color. I thought that might be the name. I don't know if that's a shade I'm going to use. Like, that's it's kind of a nice color, but it's also not really a color that I wear a lot. I'm going to look at my collection and see if I have anything similar to this, because I am trying to go through my nail polishes at the moment. You would never know from my last beauty haul, because I bought all those Kathleen Lights ones, but yeah. All right, next up I have Watermelon Brightening Eye Mask from the Beauty Crop. This retails for $24 for 30 pairs. I was supposed to get an avocado one, but I will take watermelon like that. I'd rather have that than avocado, actually. So that one I will definitely use. We got some Perfectly Polished Created for Macy's 16-piece nail wrap set. These are not listed on our sheet, so this must be in exchange for the bag. I'm not going to use these. I'm going to pass these along because I have nail stickers. I have nail polish strips. I have all of those. Like, I had a friend who did several parties for the one nail. I have never used them. I've had them for years. I never used them. So I know I'm not going to use those. So I'm just going to pass them along. All right, next up we have from NYX. This is the Jumbo Eye Pencil. What shade are you in? French Fries. Okay, that does not look like a French fry, but whatever. This retails for $4.50. Not something I would really use, and it's not a color I would use, so we're fine with that. Let's do the two perfumes. This time they have two feminine fragrances instead of like a male and a female. We have Angel, the original, and then we have Angel Nova. I don't like either of these fragrances, so I'm going to pass along both of these. Angel, this is the Shooting Star, but that's like it's Angel. It's not anything different. It retails for $120 for the full size, and then Angel Nova retails for $100. I like Angel Nova on paper, but on me it just turns really woody. That Akagala wood just doesn't mesh well with my chemistry. So yes, we'll be passing those two samples along. Then we have from Buxom, this is a full-on plumping lip creme or cream. This retails for $21 for a full size. This is a pretty shade, but I have been going through my glosses and I'm not going to use this. I have so many lip glosses and I'm trying to use them up more, and I'm trying to get you know, use up as many lippies as possible, but I don't need to add any more to my collection. If you've watched, like, I'm already on part 5 of my videos, and that was just my liquid lipsticks and my bullet lipsticks. I still have to do my lip glosses and then like lip balms and lip treatments. I have way too many lip products. So that is going to be passed along. So, oh, wait, I got one more thing. This is from Corlane. This is the dry shampoo with oat milk. It retails for $20. I don't use dry shampoo, so I will be passing this along too. So the majority of this box, I'm going to pass along. I'm going to keep the eye patches. I might keep the nail polish. We'll see. At some point, I'm going to do another giant declutter video because I've had so much stuff that I've gathered from boxes and like things that I decided I don't like, and that somebody else would get more use out of. So that will eventually be coming. Yeah, not the best bet for Macy's. It took forever for them to charge to get it shipped out. I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest. All right, we have Ipsy. Ipsy just came out and they said their $13 bags now are going to have a $1.99 processing or handling charge added to each bag. So they're going to be $15 now plus tax. I can sign up for a year and get them for the like cheaper, and I don't know if I want to do that. I probably am going to because I don't want to give up my Ipsy bags right now because I'm kind of enjoying them. I don't know. Anyway, let's go over it. Let's see. Let's pull up the card. So show your colors is the theme, and it's a worthless card. I hate these cards. Like when they give me those, they irritate me. So I have no idea what the prices are. First thing up, this was my choice. I chose this palette from Beauty Creations. This is the Murillo twins, Brittany Murillo. I have no idea who that is, but I was not expecting, like, it looked like a palette, and I was not expecting a full palette. This looks really pretty, though. I'm going to swatch it at the end because I don't have any makeup wipes with me. It's been like, I'm just starting to get settled. This is only the second video I filmed in this location, so patience. And I will swatch that towards the end. So next up I have from Pink Lips. This is the 5-star soft matte concealer in Independent Like Aries. That's a weird name for a shade. Let's see what shade this is. Hopefully it's one I can use after having to open it. Dear. Yeah, that is not going to work. That is trying to wipe it on my hands. I don't know who that's way too pale. So that one is being passed along. Then I have from Bad Habit, this is the Wake Things Up Matcha and Mint Morning Cleanser. I'll take it. That sounds good. Then I have from Complex Culture. This is the Sun Bath Baked Bronzer in the shade Play. And that actually looks like a pretty good match for me. Let's see. Maybe I'll swatch it on this hand. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm trying to save my fingers so I can do some of those over there, because I don't know where my makeup wipes are. I have to find them. This is from Ico. This is the Black Magic eyeliner. I don't like eyeliners. This is like the 3rd month in a row that I've gotten eyeliners, and that's really annoying me. And come on, Ipsy, get your ish together. Come on. I never got them before this because I marked them as rarely. I had 2 subscriptions years ago, and one I would get them all the time, even though they were like, when we could opt out. I opted out of brow products and I opted out of eyeliner, and I would get them still. Sorry, I thought a little creature was looking at me for a second. Now all of a sudden, this other one, which I never got eyeliners, I've gotten them the past 3 months. So from this one, I'm keeping the face wash, I'm keeping the bronzer, and I'm keeping the palette. Let's do some swatches. I don't think there's anything in the other one that will be a problem. Let's do this silver because that looks so pretty. We'll do this purple shimmer. Oh, that looks pretty. There's a lot of shimmers in here. Let's do the blue and maybe this marbled one. I know you can't see any of those. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Some pretty colors. Excited to swatch them. Oh, that one's chunky glitter. Nope, won't be using that silver one. Little bit of fallout with the matte, but pretty nice overall. I've never tried Beauty Creation, so excited for that. That's a good one. Okay, Walmart beauty box. I know how awkward am I right now with stuff all over my hands. All right, summer glow up is the thing, and it has a list of things so I can tell if some of these I want to keep, what the prices are. First thing I have is a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is fine, nothing super exciting. It's not listed on there. I will use it. I will use a cleanser. Then I got Invisibobbles. I hate these things. These do not work for my hair. I have way too much hair, so I will be passing those along. We have a liquid IV. These things, you're getting them all the time now. This is Pina Colada. Those retail for $8.98 for 6. I've never tried one. The Invisibobbles are $5 for 3. That's fine. Sagely Naturals Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream. $12.48 for 3 ounces, so that's actually not too bad. Then we have from Suave Up the Volume shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I love shampoo and conditioner, so I will take that. $4.98. I'm assuming each, and it's 16.5 ounces. Unless, yeah, this got to be each, right? I should also say, Macy's Beauty Box is $15 a month. This is $6.98 every quarter, so it's a cheaper box. And then the last thing is, what is it? This is Bliss Block Star Daily Mineral Sunscreen. 1.4 ounces, retails for $19.97. So this is 0.4 ounces. It's giant box for much smaller amount of product. I'll use it eventually. I'm working through sunscreens. I'm trying to use them more often. I'm trying to go out of the house more often. So, not too bad. I will use the sunscreen eventually. I'll use the shampoo and conditioner. I mean, I'm assuming I'll eventually try these liquid IVs. The Cetaphil is fine. The pain relief cream is fine. The only thing I'm not going to be using is this Invisibobble. All right, so if I was going to rank these, I would say the loser of them was Macy's. I was very disappointed in Macy's. I was expecting more. I was really hoping that they would have a better box, especially after all of the problems that we went through getting it. I was wondering if we were even going to get it because of how late they charged us in the month. I don't think they charged until like the 17th or something. It was really late in the month anyway. In second place, I'd probably put the Walmart just because there's a lot of solid things, but nothing like super duper exciting, but things I will actually use. And then I would put Ipsy as the winner, so maybe I should do that for the year, because I did get a palette, which was really cool, and I got a bronzer that I think is a good shade match for me. I'm trying to use bronzer. I have so many of them, so I'm working on it. And then, you know, like, these are pretty colors. I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.